We're opening up the WWE Legends Elite Collection. Shawn Michaels. Check this thing out. I got it on discount, so I'm gonna open this thing up. 50% off I got this for. Series 28 WWE Legends Shawn Michaels. Let's open this thing up. This is an awesome figure. Let's see here. Take some tape. It's all right. Here we go. Check this out. We got the Michaels, the legendary braid. Look at that. Let's bust Shawn out of here. The Elite Shawn Michaels WWE Legends. Look at that Heartbreak Kid gear. This is awesome. Details are amazing. Look at that. Articulation in the stomach. Can't quite do the famous pose, but you know. All right. Thanks for watching. Another unboxing. This is Super Meanie, the professional wrestling fan. Like, subscribe, follow, share, do all that good stuff. Keep watching for more merch opening. And I'll catch you on the next one. World peace.